Welcome to the James Latham Cladding Visualiser. This online tool has been designed to help you specify timber cladding by letting you explore how different products will look on a variety of building types. Each cladding type has been professionally scanned, ensuring you see a true representation of each product. You can also use the tool to order samples, book a consultation, and even download a brochure of any configurations you've put together. Let's take a look at where you begin. The home screen shows a traditional house with vertical cladding from our finish line collection. You can change your building type at any point. So if we select Modern House from the menu on the right, the style of the building changes. We also have a commercial building and a modern terrace of houses to choose from. For this demonstration, let's stay with a traditional house and explore some of the different cladding types available. From the drop-down menu, you can select from various products. Let's try the Thermo Red Oak. You'll see that when you select this product, the image changes to show the Thermo Red Oak cladding from this collection. We can go ahead and select other products from the drop-down, and the visual will update accordingly. You can pick from up to 30 species, finishes and textures in the Cladding Visualiser, and we'll add new product lines as they become available. For more information and photos of each product in use, just click the More Details link under each product. Now let's change the orientation of the cladding. You'll see the system automatically filters the available cladding profiles, which you can then view in 3D for a close-up view of the texture and profile. A fun feature is to see how the cladding might look at dusk. The visual is automatically set to daylight, shown by this icon. Give it a click and the ambient light changes. This is really useful to see how exterior lighting may affect the cladding. Once you've configured a combination you like, you can add this visual to a project. You can add as many visuals as you choose. Click on the Projects icon to review all of your configurations. At this point, you can delete any you don't want to keep. Now, you can do various things such as requesting samples of the cladding you've picked or arranging a virtual meeting with one of our team to discuss your project in more detail. By clicking on Download Brochure, you'll get a PDF featuring all the products you've selected, along with handy information pages, photos of the products in use, and any useful videos. With the James Latham Cladding Visualiser, seeing your design ideas come to life has never been easier. Give it a try.